Hello everyone. I wanted to show you how you transfer the line drawing that I sent you to your watercolor paper. Now I've taped down my watercolor paper using painter's tape because that won't hurt the surface of the watercolor paper. And what I've done is I've taken a number 2 pencil, and I've actually I'm not going to do this on top of my watercolor paper. I'm going to move this over and do it on my desk. I'm going to actually create like a piece of graph paper. So I'm just putting down lots of pencil around the edge of the pear. Then I'm going to place it on top of my watercolor paper, and then with either a different color pencil or a fountain pen, you're going to trace over the line of the printout of the pear. We're going to do this 3 times. You may have to reapply the graphite to the back of the page. So once I've done that, I'll show you what it looks like. It's a very faint, let me zoom in here. Let it focus. It's a very faint line of the pear. So now I'd like to do another one. So my first pear is here. Now my second pear is going to be right next to it. So I just set down my paper and I take my pencil or my pen and I trace back over the line. And now you have another very light pear drawing. I'm going to go back over it with pencil so you could see it a little better. I'm just very lightly with my pencil redrawing the line so you can see it better. I'm going to tell you one thing. If your pencil line is very dark, the watercolor will not cover it. It'll show through the watercolor. So if you think it's too dark, you can take your gummy eraser, that's this guy, and you can just lightly blot your watercolor paper to remove some of the graphite so that it won't show through the paint. What we're going to be doing with the pear is we're going to be practicing wet and wet and dry brush. And this is an example of what you're going to end up with at the end of the class, or maybe by next week. Have fun, guys. Talk to you again. Bye-bye.